Good evening, everyone. I am so thrilled and excited to make this video. Like literally no joke. However, I want to say a big shout out to Island Shipments. I mean, like, they are the best. Like, I have never thought that, hear what, I am not going to eat them anymore. I mean, like, on time. Like, literally on time. Like, I would pay for my package when it reached and everything. And, like, within the time period that they said that they are going to deliver, trust me, on point. So big up to Island Shipper, which is my shipping company. I love you guys so much. Continue to do the good work that you're doing to ensure that your customers are satisfied. I thank you so much and I love you guys, and you're my forever shipping company. Bye.